Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Hunter, and today we'll learn about how to remove photo background in mobile Photoshop. I have already uploaded a tutorial on mobile Photoshop about its features and how to download it. So watch my previous tutorial to learn more about mobile Photoshop. Okay, now just follow my steps to learn about how to remove photo background. First, open an image from photo library. Today I will use quick selection tool, this one best for proper selection. So select it from here and then start to select your object. You can change its selection mode from here. This selection is not proper, so we will use Refine Edge tool. Drag on your image where selection is not proper. Okay, it's alright. Now just tap on here. Now go to selection menu and tap on extract. As you can see, background removed successfully. Now you can use any image in background. Just go to layer plate, tap on photo layer, then photo library and select an image for background. Now adjust this image as you want. Then tap on OK. Now go to layer plate and drag down this image. Okay, it's really awesome. As you can see, we successfully changed photo background. Now you can use blur effect in this background. Change the opacity of blur as you want. And then tap on OK. Not only that, you can also use lens flare effect. That's for first take an empty layer. Then tap on this and icon. Decrease amount of lens brightness. And you can also change the opacity of lens flare in layer plate. Transform its size if you want. Okay, it's perfect. Our project is ready. Now go to layer and tap on merge visible. Now go to adjustment and adjust some color level. Now tap on done and save your project. To save this edited image in your gallery, tap on here, then tap on save to gallery, select JPG or PNG anyone, select your project, then tap on OK. Your project will be saved in gallery. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. To get more this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.